everybody, and welcome to the Becca
and Corbin
Show! Today we're going to be doing...
whatever you like.
No, whatever you like. We're doing whatever you want.
We're gonna do a whoever can eat the strawberry fastest challenge.
Okay, go wash us some strawberries, Corbin.
I wanna play it.
Okay, Corbin's got me a strawberry, and he got him a strawberry. Let's look at how big they are compared to each other. You got a bigger one than I did.
Hey.
I guess that means I'm going to win. Wait, we have to do it on the same time.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go.
Corbin did it first. Corbin ate it all.
I won!
I ate it before you.
I ate it at the same time as you, and I finished chewing it first. I won!
Can we do another round?
You said you
this
would
one
eat
for
it.
myself.
You got me a rotten one. I'm not gonna eat it.
Good.
I'm not gonna eat a rotten one.
It's good.
You eat it. Look at that spot.
Round two.
No, look at this spot. Look at it. Are you gonna eat that? You're trying to poison me?
No.
I think you're trying to poison me. You got a tinier one on purpose. He's trying to poison me, and he got a tinier one. Go get me a different one.
Okay.
Do 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 do. Look at Mr. E. Do do
Your mom.
do do.
Your mom. I got her another rotten one.
Okay, whatever one he gets me, I get to trade him for the other one. Here you go.
I'll get another one. And I'll beat you next time.
Next time will never come. Ew! Keep your mouth shut. Do I dare trust this strawberry of yours, Corbin?
Look.
Do I dare trust it? Ew!
What?
You did that on purpose.
I didn't even see it.
Just give me a big, juicy, healthy, good one that's not rotten. What is that one's the one you're gonna eat, right?
Is it a good one?
Well, you have to try it to taste
It's
it.
a kiwi fruit.
Well, wash it first and then take a big bite. Really? Go wash it.
If you know it's good, I'll defeat you next time.
Okay, wash it off. Wash it off.
I'm gonna get a strawberry.
Okay. That wasn't a
It's
strawberry.
not rotten.
That wasn't a strawberry. That was a rotten apple. You finally did it. Oh, I heard a fart. Yep, that was Corbin. Yep, Corbin farted. I should call him Fartin instead of Corbin. You have to say Becca. This is the Becca and Corbin Show.
Becca!
That was scarier than I thought it was going to be. Corbin's got to sit here.
No.
It's the Corbin and Becca Show. The Becca and Corbin Show. We'll do a Becca and Ellie show soon, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Whoever belches loudest wins.
Hey! Whoever eats the most fish.
I win. Okay, you're supposed to say not hey, you're supposed to say
Becca! Becca! Becca!
okay, you explain the instructions to the camera, okay?
We are gonna do Becca!
Don't pinch my butt. Okay, tell them the instructions.
Becca!
You're supposed to tell them the instructions. You're not even doing it.
Becca!
You didn't even tell them the instructions.
Becca! Because you are bursting in and saying what I say. Becca!
I'm not bursting in. I didn't even say anything. You just explain it to them.
You're copying me.
No, I didn't say it.
Yeah, you're like...
You're not copying me. Do it. Do it to me. You didn't do it to me. You didn't do it to me. You didn't do it to me.
You didn't do it to me.
Okay, that's copy. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Explain the rules.
You have whoever. Becca! Whoever eats it.
Let me do that, and don't get mad at me this
Whoever
time.
eats it the most fastest wins. Hey, Becca!
Okay. James, you have to say 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go! Done. You're after me. I won.
That's a 1-to-1. We gotta do it one more time to figure out who wins once and for all. It's gonna be me.
I'll get you a bigger one.
As long as it's not rotten, I don't really care.
Well then I'll win. Okay.
Ellie just poked me in the eyeball with a wipe, a baby butt wipe, right in the eye.
Ow.
Ouch. Cheers. Ding. Wait, no.
And 3, 2.
Okay, whoever licks it 3 times wins. Ready? Set, go.
Done.
Just kidding. That was a test to see what you do.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I won. Come on your teeth.
Let me see. Open. Some in your teeth too. Okay, I won! Woohoo! The Becca and Corbin Show!
No, you lost because you still have stuff in your teeth.
You still had stuff in your teeth too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Open your mouth. I bet you still do. Ah, you have some on your tongue! See? I win.
I
I won!
You lost because there was...
Guys, you can solve this misunderstanding. This
You can solve this
agreement.
baby game.
Is it a baby game because you're in it? Anyways, tell us in the comments below, Corbin.
You win or I win.
That's right. Thanks again for joining us on the Becca and Corbin Show. You want me to do an impression of Corbin eating? Isn't that accurate? That's exactly how you look when you eat, right?
Becca! Can we do a Becca and Corbin show? What is this thing?